Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your SIM card is not from Verizon Wireless on LG G7 ThinQ. So here's a fix to unlock and activate. Fix 1. Restart your phone. Press and hold the power button, tap on restart. Wait for the phone to reconnect to the network. Fix 2. Check if the phone is carrier locked. If you are using a SIM card from another carrier, the phone may still be logged on Verizon. Contact Verizon to confirm whether your LG G7 ThinQ is unlocked. Fix 3. Reinsert the SIM card. Turn off your LG G7 ThinQ. Remove the SIM card tray using the SIM eject tool. Take out the SIM card and check for dust or damage. Reinsert the SIM card correctly. Turn the phone back on. Fix 4. Make sure the SIM card is active. Insert the SIM card into another compatible phone. If it doesn't work there either, contact your carrier to make sure the SIM card is active. If it works, the issue is likely with the LG Q7 ThinQ. Fix 4. Update the phone software. Open Settings, tap on System, go to Update Center. Select Software Update, download and install any available updates. Fix 6. Reset your network settings. Open Settings, tap on System, go to Restart and Reset. Select Network Settings, Reset. Confirm the reset and restart the phone. Fix 7. Contact your Verizon. Whether the phone is unlocked, whether your SIM card is properly activated, or whether the LG G7 ThinQ is compatible with your current Verizon plan or not. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.